worries, just pass it on anyway. Let's just put it on. It's an old piece of paper. This is not a good quality. It's very thin, it's only a 90s. It's all buckled because it's been done on the other side. But we have to use it up, haven't we? So, let's see. We'll crash it on with some ultramarine blue. And then we'll put a little bit of light red on, I think. A bit of yellow in it. Oh, there, that's a bit too much, that. Just take it off. Let's get some ultramarine blue back on. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, so don't want it here. Oh, we'll do a beach scene, but there we are. So here, we'll have some water here. Not quite that strong. Just water. So a few waves coming in. Alright, I think we'll be okay. Just some water, a bit few waves. Like that. Let me get it. Just put a little bit of tissue. Take that bit off, what's wrong with it. It's nothing there as well, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so we're up to there, aren't we? What we'll do now, we'll build this into this beach and we'll put a house in it. Better put the house first, haven't we? Wait a minute, let me just, I'll just dry it. Come here, going across there to there. The house here. About here. A nice house here. Like that. This here, coming across here. Bit of the land backwards there. Our beach here. We'll have a little. We could have a little boat leaning this way if you wanted. But that'd be that way, wouldn't it? That. And we'll shadow that way, wouldn't it? Yeah, so we have this. Okay there. Yeah, blue. Across here. can't get it straight. Necessary to put all those stalks in here. Totally unnecessary. Spoil it by overdoing it. Putting too much in. This is okay, this area. But this area here, that, it should be out, but shouldn't be in. I'm not giving enough freedom to the spaces. I'm not letting the painting breathe, am I? Well, you know what to do. Less is more, and less is more when you're doing a loose painting, or even a tightish painting, which I'd say, you know, something like a nice little scene for yourself to do when you're out. Don't trample everything in like I've just done. Sit on your hands, they say, don't they? And contemplate. Like Fletcher Watson says, now is the time to have a half a pipe. Yeah, I don't think there's many smoke today though, even pipes, are they? Oh, listen to that door. Okay, I'll feed you later. Bye bye everyone. Take care.